Grandma, do I look ugly?
Yeah. You don't look good.
Or not?
I love you, but
I think I look good.
seriously?
Yes, seriously.
No.
This is all my hair.
You are doing it like that, you are.
Yeah, I am. Go to school and people will be like, oh my god, what'd you do to your hair? And be like, made it awesome. I like this. I do.
Let me see. That looks
Mm. I think I look good.